Hi, my name is Dinesh Ishkan Zavre. Today's date is 9 November 2022. Today we will be discuss about OOPS concept in Java. OOPS means uh, Object Oriented Programming System in Java. OOPS in Java. OOPS in Java is to improve code reliability and reusability by defining Java program efficiently. The four pillars are OOPS, implementation, uh, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, and in abstraction. The main aim is object oriented programming is to implement real world entities. For example, object, class, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. Object means real world entity such as a pen, chair, table, computer, watch, etc. Class is collection of object is called as class. uh, it is a logical entity. Inheritance when one object acquires all properties and behaviors of parent class is known as inheritance. It code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is two Greek words, poly and morph. Poly means many and morph means form. So polymorphism is many forms. Uh, Polymorphism is same object and different behaviors. The polymorphism is two method used, overriding and overloading. Polymorphism two types in Java: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile polymorphism is achieved by the method overloading. And compile polymorphism is handled by compile the program by the compile program from compiler. Second, runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is achieved by method overriding. And runtime polymorphism is handled by run the program from JVM. Example: polymorphism, water forms solid, liquid, and gas. Abstraction is hiding the internal details, showing functionality. Example: phone call. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to object abstraction. And last one, encapsulation. Encapsulation is binding code and data together into single unit, are known as encapsulation. Example: capsule. Thank you.